Let's make product manipulation. Bring background, apply color balance, level and blur effect. Bring stones, apply color balance and level on it. Clip new layer brush with black to give shadow effect. Bring product and mix shadow with brush. Take new layer and make light effect with brush. Bring light effect and put blend mood to linear dodge add. Bring leaf branch and apply color balance on it. Bring different leaf branch and apply color balance and level on it. Bring snake with branch and apply color balance on it. Thank you for watching.